Hey guys, welcome to Trustifier's dashboard, and in these tutorials we'll be showing you how to navigate and start using Trustifier to boost the social proof and conversion of your website. So if you're using maybe WordPress or whatever type of site you're using, Trustifier can be integrated. It's pretty much the same process, and it's straightforward. So I will be taking you through how to create your campaign, how to install the code on your website, and see it live in action. We'll be using one of our a Shopify site to run this test so that you know how to use it. And if you're using WordPress and WooCommerce, we will also cover WordPress on the other side so that everyone is fine. But it's pretty much the same process. So whatever platform you use or whatever CMS or type of site you use, it's pretty much the same process. Okay, so let's get to it. So the first thing when you log into your dashboard, you see is this is your dashboard here. It's same for everyone. So the first thing first you want to do is to create a campaign. That's the first thing you want to do. And what this means is that you want to connect, you want to authorize your website and connect it with Trustifier, okay? So that whatever action, whatever notification you create, your website it can connect, it can communicate, and it can happen. All right. So the first thing first is to create a campaign. Excuse me, and I will give this a name. I'm gonna call it mini sneak. Okay, I'm going to call it mini snake. And the domain here is where you enter the domain. There is no need to use HTTPS or www. Just use the domain dot, whatever the extension is, or subdomain, whatever subdomain it's that you use. Okay, so the domain name of the website where you want the campaign to run on, that is what you put here. All right, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to say minisnake.com. Okay, and if you want to include subdomains, you can just do this so that it's going to cover this domain and all the subdomains that are associated with this particular domain. Okay, so but for the sake of this video, we only go with this one, and we create. Now that you've created, right? So what you want to do is copy this pixel code, this short JavaScript code. You want to copy it, and you'll be adding to the head tag of your website. Depending on what you use, if you're using WordPress, it's pretty much easy. Just install a plugin that can allow you add code to the head of your website. I think I'll just walk you through that also, but for now, let's stick with the Shopify. All right, so I'll go to my Shopify and I'll log in. Excuse me. I'll log in. So when I'm in, you go to online store and then themes. All right. So this is my theme here. Then I'm gonna click on edit code. Then you go to theme liquid. So now remember the instruction says you add the code to the head section. So this is the head. You look for the first one is the head. You can either add it here or you can add it to the end part of it. To find the end part, if you want to add it to the end part, I'm just going to say Control F on Windows and Command F on Mac, and I'm going to say head, okay, and search, and oh sorry, I'm just going to say head so that I can close it, okay. So you see, this is the closing part of the header section of your website. So what I'm going to do here is just above this is where you're going to paste the code. So I'm just going to press enter, and I'll paste my code in here. Okay, that short, that small snippet that you copied from Trustifier. Then save. All right, good. It's saved. Now we can exit, and then now go back to your site, and you can see mini snake it's already created there. And I'll go to campaigns, and you can see it's added. All right, so that is how you create a campaign. Does that make sense? This is how you create a campaign. Basically, create a campaign, copy the code, add it to the header section of your website, and voila, save it, and then you come back, you see it, and make sure the status is turned on. That is when it can see what is going on. So, whatever you want to do on Mini Sneak or whatever your website is, it starts from there. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.